Hello, Brenton with All Out Octane here, and on this video I'm going to show you real fast the Ford Matchbox series that just hit the pegs. This might actually have hit the pegs elsewhere. I'm not entirely sure. I just found it. I am missing one. So this would be a 6 truck set, and I did not find the 6th truck yet. So there you can see on the back of the package here that there are 6 trucks. I am missing the 56 Ford F100 pickup, which is that one right there. I did find all the rest on the pegs, and I'm not going to open them in this one because I did just find them. However, if you look closely, you'll notice that some of these have already been released in the main line, not in the Ford exclusive packaging. So I do not have this particular truck or this particular truck, but I do have these other two, the Raptor and the Skyjacker Bronco. So just to give you a quick glimpse at what those trucks would look like out of a package, I did pull out my loose collection. And so this is what the Ford Raptor in the Gulf livery looks like. It does have a great set of tampos on it. They did really well at mixing the graphics for the truck with the natural lines of the truck and fitting in the Gulf livery very well. It does have tampos on the top as well, and the spare tire for the off-road use. So I kind of wish they had made it an open bed, but I do have the original of this truck as well, and that one, the original version of this truck came with the off-road tire. So they've done really well at keeping that casting very well true to form. Next up is the Skyjacker Bronco, and you can actually see this one, I believe, obviously it's in publications and on other media, but I did see it on the Hot Rod Network, where the Motor Trend. I saw it on Motor Trend where they went four-wheeling, and they did have the Bronco. The Skyjacker team brought the Bronco out for one of their off-roading events. So if you get a chance to go watch that video, I might put the link in the description below to see if you want to go see this truck in action. But yeah, there it is. It has 2 tampos on the side, nothing on the hood. This is obviously plastic, and then it's metal on the truck, and then plastic base. So, at least I think it is plastic, yeah. Yep. So yeah, there are 2 of the trucks out of the package, and that way you can really see them. So clearly what they're doing is they're just putting them in a fancier package. They are still 97 cents, so they are no more than the main line, so you don't have to worry about extra price. I am curious to see if the Ford F-150 Lightning will show up in the main line. That truck might have already shown up in the main line because it does look like an older casting. I don't have it though. If you guys do have it, let me know. Let me see some of the color variations, or you can tell me what the color variations are. I would love to see more of that truck, and I can't believe I've missed it for all this time if they have made it. So it'll be cool to see that, and I'm really looking forward to trying to find the F100 as well. Oh, real quick side note, I don't know if anybody has found the Mercedes G-Wagon yet that is supposed to hit for the Mercedes. That vehicle never hit the pegs yet. If you've seen it, let me know. It's just the one part of the Mercedes series. I have all of them, all of the Mercedes except that one. So, yep, just want to run through that. However, I did say that I wasn't going to open these, and I'm not, because I do like the packaging. The card art is fantastic, and I did show you the 2 trucks, but I will unbox something for you guys. So I did a couple videos back, I was able to find the Matchbox Superfast, but I had been missing the Mercedes. So I'm going to open up the moving parts. Well, actually, it is a moving part, but it's a 50th anniversary Superfast Mercedes. And I'm kind of toying with the idea, since this is the 50th anniversary of, even though it has, I think Matchbox is celebrating its 65th, because it's a little bit older than Hot Wheels. I was thinking that I am approaching 100 subscribers, and most YouTube channels, that's a pretty good accomplishment. Considering how long I've been on YouTube, but I haven't really done much with it, I am really grateful to you all subscribing and seeing my content. I am going to try to do some other things that are not diecast related. Hopefully you guys don't mind. I have some other how-to videos coming up on how to fix your car, as well as some other NASCAR related videos and racing. My friend and I do a podcast about NASCAR because we are fans of it, and we kind of wanted an outlet to do that, a creative outlet. So hopefully you guys don't mind those two things. I am going to post those on my All Out Octane channel. That's what All Out Octane was intended to be, was an automotive pretty much automotive media. So I love diecast, I love racing, anything with an engine, I love it. So I am a journalist major, and I wanted to use that talent. So just keep that in mind. I really appreciate you guys' support, but 150 subscribers, I might do a giveaway. So if you guys like that idea, let me know, and I will see what I can do at giving away maybe some diecast cars at 150 subscribers. So to say thank you for all you guys all your guys' support. But here we have the Mercedes. So this is the Superfast 50th anniversary Mercedes, 62 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE. And it does have two opening doors. It has the gray wheels on it. I know it might be kind of hard to see, but there you go. Gray wheels, two opening doors. A little bit of a side tampo for the 65th. That's what doesn't make sense. It has a 65th tampo on its side, but it is 50th anniversary. So if you guys know anything about that, let me know as well. I'm not quite sure what's going on there, but this is a beautiful casting. I love the red. The gray tires actually do fit it quite well with the rims. So there it is. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I really appreciate your support. I want to try to do a giveaway at 150 subscribers because I'm getting close to 100, and that's a great milestone. Thank you all so much. Again, I'm going to put some other content on here as well. Hopefully you guys don't mind that either. If you're like me and you like automobiles, I try to share everything that I can about it, and I don't really want to start multiple channels because I'm just trying to grow this one and just share my passion for automobiles, regardless of whether it be diecast or anything else. So sorry for the long-winded video. I do have some other things that I'll show you guys in other videos on diecast, but thanks a lot for watching and happy hunting.